Here I wanna explain you about the lenses that you will understand about the focal length. This is the first one. We have 8 mm. That is called also a fish eye angle, fish eye lens. The fish eye focal length. So you can see here. You will capture this from this lens. From this lens, this is the focal length from here to here, 180 degree. So everything that is coming from this line to this side, all from here till here, it will capture in the sea. So this is called the 8 mm fish AI. So I already mentioned here the picture also. So this is the image that I explained already in the Higgsfield, that this is took with the 8 mm focal length. So you can see here that from here to here, from one edge to another edge, from here to here, everything that is coming in this side in this scene, so it will capture this 8 mm focal length. So when you will select the 8 mm focal length, you will get like this type of picture. The next we have focal length 14 mm. So this is the 14 mm focal length. So with this one, everything that is coming between these dash lines that I draw and extended, so everything that is coming in this area, so you can see the wideness of 14 mm. So everything, it is not like this 8 mm. So this area and this area from the 8 mm, so 14 mm will not capture. So from this one to this one, you can see in this dash line and in this dash line, so everything that is coming in this area, the 14 mm focal length, this will capture the picture. So I already explained one picture with the arrow, that this one. So this is also very wide angle that it's capturing of a person, but it's not like a fish eye to capture enough. So this is the 14 mm. You can see it's capturing a lot of area that is coming in the picture. So with this 14 mm focal length, like this, that is coming everything in this area, so you will capture these type of pictures. So now you understand that 14 mm is not wide as 8 mm. So next we have another focal length that is called 24 mm. So it is again less wide than the 14 mm. So 14 mm is capturing more wide area, and then 24 mm it's capturing less area. So this is the 24 mm focal length. So everything that is coming in these dash lines, this one and this one, the boundaries that I draw in this area. So camera will capture only that area in the image. So I give already example this one. So 24 mm, this is the picture that I took with the 24 mm, and you can see it's capturing a lot of wide area, but not as wide as this 14 mm. So this is the difference between different focal lengths. Then we have the next here 50 mm. So this is the 50 mm focal length. So you can see it's capturing very narrow area, not as much as wide angle. So you can see here I attach the picture that it's not capturing very wide area. It's just bringing the too much focus on the subject and also a little bit background area. So you can see in this dash line and in this dash line, the area that is coming between these two dash lines, it will captured by the lenses and the cameras. So this is the focal length that we can use. So you can see here clearly, and you will understand that 8 mm how much angle it will capture, and then 14 mm, 24 mm, and then 50 mm. So as we are coming down from top to bottom in descending order, the area will more captured by the lens and camera in the focal length. But if we are going very high, like 100 mm, 500 mm, So it will not capture too much area, it will become narrow, very narrow, not a very wide shot. So like this you can see, and you can understand about the focal length. So I already explained you about the focal length as theoretically, and so that you will understand better